Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I'm so happy to have you either way. Today we have what looks like a small, but is actually very mighty nail supply haul from Sweetie Nail Supply. I had picked up some stuff in their Black Friday sale, and then like right after the sale ended, I started to see all these people posting videos, and I thought to myself, oh my gosh, I really wish that I picked up this or that or whatever. So I wish that I had had the foresight to purchase this and get whatever it was, 25 or 30% off, but here we are. I have no regrets. All right, so oh my gosh, this one looks so cute. I feel like I've never seen this blue one. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so I have my little receipt there. Always bubble wrap, which I always keep for later. And then, ooh, I'm so excited for this stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna pull everything out and then I can show you guys everything that I got. So let's start with this really small stuff here. So I got the Blanc small nail tip stands. I thought I got one in blue and in pink. Did I not? Yeah, they were supposed to give me one in pink and one in blue, but that's okay. Now I have two blue ones. They're going to be matching. Okay, so here is what it looks like. So if you've ever swatched magnetic polish before, or maybe you don't know that if you're using the regular tip stands, as soon as you put it into the lamp, it usually, the magnet like pulls all down. So I started using these ones. I had gotten the, I don't know if I still have them here. Yeah, I had gotten the Jin B ones before, which I thought were like really super cute, but I wanted to have like more of a collection of ones that I could use. I'll link these ones down below because I think it's really cool that it comes in a 5-pack and it also looks like a package. Can't take me anywhere. Okay, so we have, yeah, the Blanc, and then I don't even remember getting this. What is this? Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this one is a Blanc. It's like a flake. I don't know how to explain it. Do you see? Oh, wow. I'm not going to breathe anymore because I'm sure you can already see it floating and you see it on my glove here. So this is a beautiful blue, like icy flake. Like, I feel like it's just not, like the camera's like, no. So I'll show it to you on black. This is what the flake looks like. Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm just like staring at this in the viewfinder. This is so gorgeous. It's all over my desk and I did that for you guys. I did that for you so that you can see. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's all over my hands and I couldn't be happier. Okay, so the next thing that I got in my most previous video, or my most previous purchase, or I should say, I purchased some yogurt gel polishes, and I just realized I may have purchased 3 of like exactly the same colors, kind of like how we do with nude, what's it called? Nude lipsticks. Okay, so I have color 45, 48, and 49. So the reason that I got these 3 colors was obviously because I thought they were different, but they look to be now exactly the same color. No, I'm just joking. Okay, so let's look at number 48. So this one is exactly what I was hoping it was going to be, a beautiful, beautiful teal color. If you didn't know, green's my favorite color, and I prefer the greens that lean a little bit blue. Okay, and then we have this one. This is number 45. I believe these are all from the grocery collection. So this one is kind of like a dusty, greeny blue, gray, whatever. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then this one, I'm really glad I got. This one is number 49. I wanted like a true like green so that I could do like leaves. I want to do leaves and holly berries. So that is that one. Super duper excited. I really like the yogurt gel ones that I had before. And then, okay, so then also I got some zigzag gel. Did I get both glitter ones? Okay, so I got Green Tree and Santa Red. Obvious reasons for Christmas. However, look at the date today. Look at the date. I'm so far behind and I wish that I had gotten this stuff much earlier. I'm usually really excited to do Christmas nails and I usually do like probably 10 sets in the month of December. And this month, or this year I should say, it has not been happening and I'm so mad. but it's okay. I'll have these for next year. So if you know anything about me, you'll know that I absolutely adore textured nails, and that's why I really like these things here. So this is a non-wipe sort of like jelly thing. I have one already from Jello Jello that you can see has been used quite a bit because it looks kind of gross. I just realized I left that open. So this one has been used quite a bit. This is Damsu Pearl, another like really beautiful one. I'm not sure how much you can see it here, but it's just like a white pearly color, and I really, really, really like it. And that's what made me want to get the green one and the red one. So I'm just going to, they have like these little things on the boxes. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I got it literally to do exactly this. So let's just squeeze it. I hate that you have to squeeze these so much because my hands don't have the best dexterity. Oh, yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Ooh, yeah, I love that. I love that. Okay, so this is what that looks like. How stinking gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to cure that for just a few seconds so that we could get to the red one. So this one is Santa Red. Okay, so 38 and this one is 39. Okay, so this is exactly actually what I wanted to do in my set is I wanted to do like, okay, like a white glitter and then like have these like, okay, a white glitter. And then I wanted to have these like this on the nail. I don't know if that makes any sense. All I can tell you is that I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Now the one downside is that I have no idea how I'm going to use these outside of Christmas. Whatever, we're gonna deal with it. Okay, I'm too excited. Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to get was these YOGO milk jams. So they had, this one I guess just doesn't have one in English. So they had like some sort of a collection that you could get that had the black, white, and I think it was the honey one, but I really didn't want the honey one. I wanted the black, the white, and the clear. So I didn't get to benefit from the, like the bundle. Okay, so they come with this little plastic thing here, which is great. And then this one is just the clear gel. And this is that like solid gel that you can do like just basically 1,000,001 things with. So let me see, do I have my, yes, okay. So if you could see, this one is just, you see, like it's just a solid. I'm pretty sure that I could take this whole thing out if I wanted to. Like that's what I see a lot of people do. Yeah, you can basically take it all out. It's not sticky at all. It didn't stick to here. Let's just, yeah, so it's not sticky at all. So I'm happy to have this one. And I think there's something about like they're becoming a film if you don't put this like plastic thing on it. So I'm gonna make sure that I do that. I bought a lot of these from like AliExpress, but I've never had like a good, like more well-known brand that I like. I tried the Daily Charm one, but I didn't like it. It was too sticky. So like this one so far. And then I wanted to get the milk jam and the black jam for obvious reasons because they're cool. But the milk jam because I wanted to do like the melting snowman. That's been really popular. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this one is so opaque. I thought it was going to be so much milkier, if that makes sense. This one actually feels a little sticky too. So I don't know if that's just because I'm taking it off the top. I don't know. I got to work with these things. Like, don't take anything that I say in first impressions to mean anything, because if you haven't worked with something, you can't really say like how good or bad it is. Okay, so this one, yeah, I'm interested to take a look into it. But yeah, same sort of deal. It seems like, where it's, yeah, so it's just that like putty sort of, you know what I'm saying? Does that make sense to you? Does that, I don't know. But yeah, really excited to use this because even after Christmas, I could still do the melted snowman because it's still gonna be wintertime with snow. Okay, and then the next one that I want to get was the black jam because I think, was it The Devil Wears Press-Ons? I think it was her that I saw I saw using the black one, and she did like a really, really cool nail set. I really, really liked it. It was like really punky and awesome. So I wanted to pick up that. So let's just see. I imagine this is going to be pretty much the same as the white one, but I'm interested to see if it's like at all milky or if it's like straight black, because I imagine something like this that you use a little on the thick side, I would imagine would have to be a little bit jelly, because like black is really hard to cure in any event. Okay, so yeah, this looks to be, oh boy, okay. How are they gonna do that? Oh, that's actually interesting. I feel like I have a really big bubble in this one. Yeah, look at that bubble. Can you see it? Like a huge bubble. Like I feel like there's like 3 grams of product in here. Wow, I wonder if, can I take this whole thing out? I feel like there's just such a tiny ball in here. Huh. I guess maybe that's just the way that it is. Anyways, this one again looks a little bit sticky, but I'm interested to play with it. Again, like don't listen to anything that I say in first impressions, because honestly, I don't know enough. Until I've played with it and been able to figure it out, I don't want to make an assumption about it. Anyways, yeah, I'm just really surprised that this is as black as it is. As meant to be used a little bit on the thicker side. I'm really, really excited to play with that and see how it ends up working out. So that is everything. I hope that you enjoyed this small but mighty haul. If there's anything that you've seen that you'd like a little bit more information on, or you want to see me do a video trying out, just let me know and I'll be happy to do it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, and as always, have an amazing day. Bye.